I used to say whenever I was a high school principal that I didn't know what I wanted to do when I grew up. And at the time, I thought, hey, the next logical step for me is to be a superintendent of schools. And I actually went for that job and didn't get it. But if you would have told me back then that I would become a trader of the stock market, never in a million years did I think life would bring me to where it has today. And that's what this video is about, is I wake up every day now and I get to do what I love to do. And the way that trading found me, because I didn't find it, was random, it was accidental, and it changed my life. And I want you to know out there, and you don't even have to be a trader, but if you have this feeling inside of you that there's something that you were put here to do, or your thing is still out there, I don't want you to ever give up on that. Because all my life, I knew there was something out there for me. I knew there was something out there that I had to find. I had to discover what it was. And it ended up being the stock market. And prior to me getting involved with trading the markets, I would buy shares of stocks, right, for my kids. And I didn't know what the hell I was doing. If I had some extra money, all right, let me buy a few shares of Apple. Let me buy a little bit of this index fund and just let it sit there. That's the extent of what I knew. And that was it. And whenever I hit that pain point in my job of knowing that, hey, there's an empty feeling every day of knowing that if I don't take the leap, if I don't take the risk to at least find out what is out there or to see what I can do on my own, I know at the end of my life, I'm going to have massive regret. And on top of that, the time away from my kids, having 3 small kids, and the time responsibility of a principal being away from home, it just got to be too much. And so I made the decision to walk away. There's another video you could check out. I'm not going to go into the whole story. But again, the crazy part is leaving the principalship behind. I didn't really know how I was going to make it work or what I was going to do. I had a little side hustle that I was going to do that was related to teaching that just failed miserably. And trading was my side project. All right, I'm going to learn this trading. I'm going to do this on the side. And whenever that education component failed, it was all on me to trade. And the craziest thing happened. I just fell in love with it. Like just looking at a candlestick chart and seeing the price move higher, or to see a big move down, or to see a spike off of news, or to see the response of the market to an inflation report, I get fired up. I get excited. When the market closes at the end of the day, there is a bit of sadness that creeps in because it's like, oh man, I got to wait until tomorrow. And when I wake up in the morning, I can legitimately say that I am excited. I can't wait to look at the charts. I can't wait to see what is going on pre-market. And there's so much anticipation I have before 9:30 a.m. That's when the market opens. I'm amped. I can't wait to sit down and trade. It's just the most amazing thing for me. It connects with my personality, and I love it. I love it, and I'm just grateful that I found it. And the message that I want to deliver here, again, it's not even about trading. It's about this, that for those of you out there who know that what you're currently doing for your career, if you feel that this is not your purpose or that there's something else out there for you, believe that it will happen for you. Now, here's the thing. I tried several different things. I started businesses that failed miserably. I tried a bunch of different ideas to try to make them stick. I read all sorts of literature and books to try to figure out what it is I was meant to do. I got my certified strength and conditioning specialist certificate back in the day. I was going to start a personal training business. That was cool, but it wasn't my thing. I started a leadership website, which was cool. I like to write, I like to produce, I like to create, but it just wasn't my thing. And so every time that I would try something, I would learn something, I would pick up a skill. And all those things that I tried that didn't pan out ultimately led me to where I am now. And again, here's the thing. Success is what you define it as. Success for me is freedom and being able to, on a Wednesday afternoon, be able to sit down and record this video and talk to you about my experience and encourage you to find what it is that is out there waiting for you. That's the most special thing to me. And I get that freedom because of trading. And so for those of you out there who are searching, who are seeking, who have not yet found what it is that is out there for you, calling for you, keep pushing, keep searching, keep looking for it. You will eventually find it, but you have to take the action. You have to put yourself out there. You have to be willing to look foolish. You have to be willing to fail. But that thing of yours that you're going to love and it's going to excite you every day, it's waiting for you. You just have to find it. And I want this video to tell you, don't give up. It can happen for you. And I hope that it does. I'd love to hear your story. Are you currently in pursuit to find that thing that you know is out there waiting for you, or have you already found it? And how did that process go? What did it look like? Because maybe your story that you share in the comments can help someone else. I appreciate you being here. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.